if you guys are just starting with the idea of video content and blogging for the first time, there's no easier way to do it than to just really dive right into it. You definitely will see folks out there with really flashy videos that have, fabulous editing on them, overlays, graphics, that kind of thing. But if you want to start creating video content and having it on your site, I would honestly recommend just grabbing your iPhone or your smartphone, getting one of your kids to help film, maybe if possible, and just kind of recording a short intro video. Maybe you have a topic that you can kind of chat about initially, at least. Maybe there's like a community event coming up, something along those lines. But just take a video, make sure you got some good lighting. Don't do it in your car. That would be my first recommendation. We get a lot of folks that are real estate agents in their car doing it. But, just kind of sit out back, talk a little bit, keep it short, and, just kind of, do your first video. Good examples of topics that you can talk about. It could really just be a quick intro one. We definitely have a lot of folks. Actually, let me go ahead and just bring up Karen Carr's site. There are EasyAgentPro templates that incorporate video right on the homepage. So you can definitely just pop it in. So for example, this is a template. This is Karen's, website right here. So as you can see, if you did want to do like a quick intro video, there are templates that incorporate video right up top, so that you could say, kind of introduce yourself, say, hey, this is what we got going on. This is my name, et cetera, et cetera. And then it's very easy to incorporate it as long as you upload it to YouTube.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this episode of EAP TV. If you want to see more, click the circular EAP logo to the left to subscribe, or you can watch more videos by clicking on the links to the right.